You're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000.
Welcome to Elite Justice Network.
2023 CR 3511, State of Texas versus Gilberto Amaya. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Jaime Aldape for Gilberto Amaya.
Are you Gilberto Amaya?
Sí.
Yes. We have an interpreter. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. Before we begin, defense, is your client a U.S. citizen?
He is, Your Honor. I've asked him and he confirmed that 7 years ago, even though he was born in Mexico, he has been a naturalized U.S. citizen since that day.
Is that correct, Mr. Amaya?
Correct.
Correct.
All right. And Mr. Amaya, I don't make any assumptions that people are citizens or not citizens. I think languages are beautiful, but I just have to be extra careful that everyone is a citizen that appears before me. So I hope you don't take offense that I asked the question whether or not you are a U.S. citizen.
Okay. It's fine.
Okay. All right. Defense, do you speak Spanish
Yes, Judge.
fluently?
Sí.
Yeah, I know the answer to the question, but so the record is clear.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Mr. Amaya, all of the documents are in English. Were those explained to you in Spanish? All
Sí.
Yes.
right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Amaya, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Amaya, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand? Just one moment. All right, we're back on the record. Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
No contest.
No. I'm sorry. When there was a little break, I just told him, remember the plea in Spanish is no contest.
Okay.
And that's why he's saying that.
Entiendes que estás ejercitando sus derechos. La respuesta es sí. Sí.
Yes.
Sí.
All right,
Yes.
so did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Amaya, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Sí.
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney, and did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. The state recommends community supervision. There's to be the DWI intervention course, BIP, ignition interlock for half the term. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Sí.
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
And did you sign it in both places?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, 2 years driver's license suspension, 10 days house arrest in lieu of 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Sí.
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No me fue.
No contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with office attached.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled, state, you may be excused. Did you review the document entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Sí.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Sí.
Yes.
The court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Sí.
Yes.
After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just ask that the court follow the agreement. The one thing that wasn't admitted to evidence is I did bring some photos. He has 3 little kids, and he did show some photos showing he's gainfully employed. He actually installs air conditioners. So he's just wants the court to know he hopes to be a success on probation.
All right. How many children do you have?
3.
3.
And what are their ages?
27, 22 y 21.
27, 22, and 21.
Oh, You say little
He
children.
gave me, can I approach Judge? He gave
Yes.
me these photos. So this is what I was basing it on. Where's the file?
Yes, I have the file, but there are no photos in it. But that's okay. Maybe they're his grandchildren. Who are the little children in the photos?
States file? No, this is Wilson.
Mi nietos.
My grandchildren.
Ah, so he has, there we go.
Yeah, there's adorable kids. I was hoping to show the photo, but I don't see the court's file.
Quería mostrar la fotografía, pero no se encuentra.
All right. So how often are you drinking alcohol, Mr. Amaya?
Solo tomaba los fines de semana.
I only used to drink on weekends.
All right.
May I approach Judge?
Yes.
When I said kids, that's what I'm.
All right. What's your work schedule?
De 7 de la mañana a 5 de la tarde.
From 7 in the morning until 5 in the evening.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years, $500 fine, probated, DWI intervention, VIP, ignition interlock for half the term, 2 years license suspension, 150 hours of community service restitution. You can either do parenting classes or you can pay $7.25 per hour to the San Antonio Food Bank or a charity of your choice that the court finds acceptable. Or if you complete parenting classes or pay that to pay off your community service hours, the court will deem the community service hours satisfied. Probation, I'm not ordering parenting classes, but if he wants to take them so he can be a better grandparent to his grandchildren, that will be acceptable. TAP evaluation, follow the recommendations. If TAP wants him in inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. There's to be 90 meetings in 90 days, and those are sober meetings. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or minors, with minors, I'm sorry. Regular UAs. Field visit one time. Probation, if everything is fine with the field visits, you can discontinue. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. All right. So with regards to the 10 days in the Bexar County Jail, he can serve that on weekends at the jail, or either he can serve it on GPS for 20 days, and I will only allow him to work. That's it.
Sure. I think because of his work schedule, he supports his family. I think he needs to do it not in the jail. I think he wants to be in his house, Judge.
Is that correct, sir?
No quieres estar en la cárcel, quieres estar en tu propio casa. ¿Sí? Correcto.
Correct.
All right. So we'll do 20 days GPS, partial for work, in lieu of 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. And for the
Courtroom falls silent as Stephanie Boyd begins handling the felony DWI case of Gilberto Amaya, a man now facing his third drunk driving offense and the possibility of years behind bars. From the very beginning, the hearing feels serious. Judge Boyd explains that the charge carries a possible punishment of up to 10 years in prison. Through a Spanish interpreter, Amaya confirms he understands every part of the plea agreement, the rights he's giving up, and the consequences waiting if he violates probation. After reviewing the evidence, the judge officially finds him guilty. But the most important part of the hearing begins during sentencing. Defense attorneys attempt to show the court that Amaya is employed, supports his family, and spends time with his grandchildren. They even bring photographs to show the judge the life he could lose if things continue going downhill. Then Judge Boyd asks the question that changes the tone of the entire courtroom. How often do you drink? Amaya quietly responds, I only used to drink on weekends. That answer immediately concerns the judge. She explains that many intoxicated drivers believe they're fine to drive right before someone innocent gets killed. Then she paints a devastating scenario. Imagine crashing into a vehicle carrying children or even your own grandchildren because of one reckless decision. Instead of sending him directly to prison, Judge Boyd creates an extremely strict probation sentence designed to control every aspect of his life. The court suspends a 5-year prison sentence and places him on 5 years of intense probation. The conditions are severe: ignition interlock requirements, alcohol treatment programs, community service, a 2-year license suspension, 90 sober meetings in 90 days, random monitoring, treatment evaluations, and GPS house arrest that only allows him to leave for work. But Judge Boyd makes one thing absolutely clear. This is not freedom. It is a final opportunity balanced on extremely thin ice. Near the end of the hearing, the judge directly tells Amaya that he's likely someone who should never drink alcohol again. She warns him that even one mistake could destroy innocent lives, including his own family. Then comes the final warning: one failed test, one missed meeting, one probation violation, and the suspended prison sentence immediately becomes reality. What started as another DWI case slowly transformed into a powerful courtroom lesson about addiction, accountability, and how quickly alcohol can destroy everything a person cares about most.